Bria. This is my special guest, Daniela, and she's my cousin, and we're going to show something cool. Okay, look. This is Daniela's slime. This is her other slime. And this is my slime. And let me show you something satisfying. Look. Twist this up. Twist this up. Twist this up. And
that's my Aunt
and
Jeannie.
Look. Boom.
And also this one that actually have like little nets, so the slime all gets absorbed and it's really crunchy. Listen.
And look.
Do ASMR. Okay, ready?
And look.
And we also have this big one, and it's really crunchy. And it's all green.
And this, I'm gonna start ripping my.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget that if you're weird or dumb. So yeah, booby people.
Don't say that.
Okay. So yeah.
Yes, I do. Okay, so we're gonna do ASMR. So,
Look,
we have this, guys. Okay.
Yes. I love this. Next zone. And yeah,
Okay.
we
also have.
But guys, we're sharing this slime right here. We're sharing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Just don't put it in there.
So I can play with it too. And it's really
I'm taking off my bracelets because I don't want to go get them dirty.
And we love this. You're gonna interrupt our video.
A G.
GGG, booby people.
Don't say that. They're not gonna want to subscribe or like the video if you say that.
Say that.
No, they won't. They'll think you hate them. So this slime is one of my favorites because it's nice and green.
And it's mine.
Yeah, it is. I'm at her house, and
we're not sisters, even though we look like sisters. We're cousins. We already told that. Okay.
So I'm gonna do like a really tall one. Wait till it gets down.
Oh, I love this. Watch. I'm gonna show you guys.
Okay, so please comment down below if like what next video.
No, I want you guys to comment down below because I have a question. I want you guys to comment down below if you know.
Hi, it's Grandma.
What?
How you doing?
Shh. I'm trying to say something.
That's my grandma.
So, guys, I have a question. So I want you to comment about this if you know. So, guys,
Alexa,
is slime
set a timer for like 30 seconds.
Is edible slime healthy or sugary? I don't know. So I want you to comment if you know, booby people.
Don't
So
say
yes.
that.
So yes.
So guys, also comment down below if you think this face here is adorable.
I doing it.
Oh, that's like this video if crazy. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, so we're also oh, never mind. Okay, so I just love this slime so much.
I can't say it because Danielle will yell at me.
What? Don't say
that, booby people.
No!
Booby people.
I'm gonna make a slime swirl.
Let me have one.
Wait,
Some.
wait,
Can I have some? Break it.
wait. I have to make a slime swirl first. So guys, we're gonna make.
Let me have some.
This is so bad.
Let me have some.
Wait. So I'm making one. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Oh my god, this slime swirl is so bad. Look at that. That is a piece of poop. You're not even in there.
Let me have pea.
Rip
Rip it apart. Yes.
You're getting it.
Yes.
Technical difficulties. No, Rhea, you're getting it all over. Oh, mine and the cousin.
Let's take that some. Let's take that some.
So guys, we're also gonna play Sneaky Life because we're trying to get sneaky.
And I wished a something, and I'm not here.
I'll be right back.
So, guys, I love it. Isn't that a piece of poop? You booby people.
Don't say that! Oh my gosh! Stop saying that.
Why? I like booby people.
Don't!
They show their boobs.
You're disgusting.
I'm not disgusted.
Oh guys, did you see that wasabi one? That sushi, eating sushi with Ria?
And did you guys see that spicy Asian shark?
Okay. Okay, let's do a staring contest in 3, 2, 1. If you won, comment down below. If you lost, comment down below. I lost.
I won!
Okay. So guys,
So,
can you make a slime swirl?
can you rip mine apart like in just a snake?
Yes.
I'm not working. No, I'm not. I'm not. Just so I love you guys.
What? You can say that.
I love you, booby people. So much. Don't worry. I know I've been saying booby people a lot. Because you guys are actually booby people.
You say that one more time.
What? Booby people?
Oh my god.
Booby people, because you guys are booby people. Sorry! Mama.
Oh my god.
Mama.
Oh my god. Hey guys, do you have TikTok? Comment down below if you have TikTok.
Daniela doesn't.
Yes, I do.
And guys, did you know? Did you guys know I'm 70 years old and that I look small? I am. I'm not joking. No, I'm not.
If all these people, all these famous people that they're not naming yet, are doing this, look what they're doing.
Sorry, that was so weird and awkward. Talk more to the people of the world that we get bored on the video. What are you gonna do about that? Oh my god. Here's your
Say
snake.
booby people. Look at my nails.
Okay guys, well, I think that's the end of your
That's my
video.
fingers. I'm
It's gonna be the end of the video. End of the video?
Yeah, bye.
Bye.